Herbal teas that help relieve gastritis. Gastritis is an inflammation of the stomach lining. There are many factors which can cause gastritis, including stress, infection, and poor eating habits. However, the excessive consumption of alcohol and the use of certain pain medication can contribute to the development of gastritis. If not treated properly, it can lead to further complications, such as ulcers and even cancer. So, it is very important to consult a doctor and get the best medical care. However, there are other things you can do to relieve your pain. One of the best ways to relieve gastritis is by consuming the following herbal teas. 1. Ginger tea. This herbal tea is extremely effective for treating nausea, improving digestion, and relieving gastritis. Ginger tea has potent anti-inflammatory properties and can soothe irritation of the stomach lining. An upset stomach is a common symptom of gastritis, so ginger tea is very helpful in the case of gastritis as well. 2. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea is another herbal tea that can treat various digestive issues, including gastritis. Peppermint tea is known for its ability to control the inflammation. Its regular consumption can effectively relieve pain due to gastritis. 3. Oregano tea. For many years, oregano tea has been used in traditional medicine to treat all sorts of respiratory problems. This herbal tea has been used for relieving gastritis as well. It has potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can accelerate the healing process and relieve the stomach pain. 4. Marshmallow tea. Marshmallow tea is recommended for people suffering from acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Due to its high mucilage content, marshmallow tea can relieve heartburn and other associated symptoms. Mucilage has soothing properties and it is very effective for treating gastritis. 5. Slippery elm tea. Slippery elm tea is another herb tea that is very beneficial in the case of gastritis. A cup of this tea will coat the stomach lining with a slimy substance, which in turn will protect it from further irritation. 6. Licorice tea. As we said before, infection is one of the causes of gastritis. Licorice tea has strong antimicrobial properties and can treat the infection, which in turn will help in the management of gastritis. In fact, this tea is one of the best traditional remedies for treating gastritis and other stomach problems. 7. Chamomile tea. Last but not least, chamomile tea is another herbal tea that can be very helpful in the case of gastritis. It has antimicrobial properties and can soothe the gastrointestinal tract. Consume chamomile tea before going to bed. This will reduce the symptoms of gastritis that can disrupt your sleeping during the night.